Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is on everyone's mind: of passive income. Passive income is a great way to supplement your existing income and achieve financial freedom. But did you know that you can generate passive income with the help of AI? In this video, we're going to show you how. So, what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence. AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by computer systems. AI can be used to perform a variety of tasks, including data analysis, pattern recognition, and decision-making. Now, let's talk about how you can use AI to generate passive income. One way to do this is through investing. AI-powered investment platforms are becoming increasingly popular because they use complex algorithms to analyze data and make investment decisions. This means that you can benefit from their expertise without having to do any of the work yourself. Some examples of AI-powered investment platforms include Wealthfront and Betterment.
Another way to generate passive income with AI is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy in which an advertiser pays a commission to an affiliate for each sale made through their unique referral link. AI can be used to analyze data and identify the most effective marketing strategies, allowing you to maximize your earnings.
Additionally, you can use AI to create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software. AI can be used to analyze data and identify profitable niches, allowing you to create products that are in high demand. You can then sell these products on platforms like Amazon or Etsy and earn passive income from their sales.
In conclusion, AI can be a powerful tool for generating passive income by using AI-powered investment platforms, affiliate marketing, and creating and selling digital products. You can supplement your existing income and achieve financial freedom. However, it's important to do your research and choose the right tools and strategies that work best for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel.